In late autumn, the China redbud in Gaoligong Mountain starts to bloom. Flowers on the trees are an irresistible temptation for the birds. To collect the nectar, they have their own special ways. Gaoligong Mountain has complex terrains and varied ecological environments, offering all kinds of animals and plants favorable living conditions. The forest coverage here is over 85%. Various kinds of bird enjoy the wonderful habitat, making the Gaoligong Mountain one of the Chinese regions with most bird species. In the Gaoligong Mountain, over 500 bird species have been reported, accounting for more than half the number in Yunnan province and nearly 40% of that in the country. The diversified avian world accounts for the ecological vitality of this area. Morning chirps of the birds are heard everywhere in the forest. Gaoligong Mountain embraces a brand new day. The dense forest is home to flowers, fruits, and numerous insects. From the treetop down to the undergrowth, the forest provides the birds with a luxuriant space to hunt for food. Such lively streams are found everywhere on the mountain. Birds that wander around are enjoying the pleasant afternoon. They are very hygienic. Trickles in the Gaoligong Mountain offer places for birds to bathe at. Flowing waters are like head shower, while small puddles in the wood serve as bathtubs. Birds that like showering and bathing probably have a passion for cleanliness. Those that dip their feet in the water and finish cleaning themselves are quite rare in the forest. From October to March, Gaoligong Mountain sees most birds in the year. Countless birds with various appearances reflect the richness of species in the region. Their iridescent plumage embellish the colorful Gaoligong Mountain. Their lingering chirps epitomize vigor and vitality.